let's take a brief moment to appreciate the magic of theatre. Tonight, the spotlight shines on a dramatic masterpiece titled The Merchant of Venice.
This is a short script for encampment of drama, suitable for children around 13 to 14 years of age. To enact any Shakespeare's work, a minimum of 3 hours is required. This is mainly written for children under 13 to 14 years, so only a selected scene considered as climax of the play is attempted here and may last 10 minutes on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, you are going to watch a short play of Shakespeare, Merchant of Venice, now by children. William Shakespeare was born on 23rd April 1564 in Stratford-upon-Avon in England. He wrote on all subjects of human behavior. After keen observation of his surroundings, all his literary works will live as long as earth is alive. To him, we respectfully dedicate this drama.
Scene 1. Introduction.
I am William Shakespeare. I am the author of today's drama. I have written several tragedies and comedies. This is tragicom comedy. There is murder conspiracy by Shylock, and it ends up with comedy with Portia and Bassanio joining together.
I am Antonio, one of the richest merchants in Venice. Bassanio is my bosom friend. I took loan from Shylock to help my friend Bassanio.
I am Bassanio. I am friend of Antonio. I met a beautiful and rich lady, Portia, whom I want to get married. So, I need some money. I request my friend Antonio to help me.
Hello, I'm Shylock. I'm Jewish and a money lender. I hate Antonio as he has insulted me on several occasions. I'm looking for an opportunity to seek revenge.
Hello. I am the daughter of rich man from the Venice. I am in love with Bassanio. I will diagnose as a lawyer in the court. I will argue in Shylock's case in the favor of Antonio.
Hello. I am Duke. Shylock case was heard in my court. I will hear the arguments from the both sides and give my own judgment.
I am playing role of Prince 1.
I am playing role of Prince 2.
I am clerk in the Duke's court.
Scene 2.
Oh, Antonio, my bosom friend, I need your help.
Oh my friend, tell me, what can I do for you?
I love Portia. I want to marry her. So, I need some money.
Don't worry, I will help you. Right now, I have don't money, so I will borrow money from Shylock to help you. Let's go to Shylock.
Scene 3. Shylock's palace.
Oh, Antonio. Oh, Bassanio. What do you want?
I need money, 3,000 ducats.
Well, Antonio. I give money for interest. But in your case, I will not give any interest. I will instead take something else. Let's sign a bond, Antonio.
What? What is the bond about?
I write in the bond 1 pound of your flesh from the part of your body nearest to your chest, just for fun, in case you don't return the money back in 3 months.
Antonio, don't sign. Don't take a risk.
Don't worry, my ships will come in next month. We will return the money to the Shylock.
So let's sign the agreement.
Scene 4.
Oh, 3 princes have arrived here for a marriage ceremony. You have to find out my picture from the correct casket, and if you can find out, I will get married to you.
Oh, it's empty.
Oh, it's empty too.
Portia.
Yes, Basilio, I will get married to you. Let's get married.
Five. Duke's Court.
Plaintiff Shylock. Defensive Antonio. Defensive lawyer Portia.
Has Shylock me
Yes, Your Grace.
tell me, Shylock, what is your case?
Your Grace. Now 3 months are over since I gave money to Antonio. Since the time is expired, he should give me a pound of his flesh from the part of his body nearest to his chest, as his
Antonio, what do you say?
Now my lawyer will speak for me.
My lord, Shylock is keen about a pound of flesh. Let him have it. Have you brought the knife, Shylock?
Yes, I have.
You can cut the pound of flesh from the nearest part of the chest. But not more, not less.
Wait, that is not mentioned in the bond.
Are you ready, merchant? Do you have anything to say?
Not much. I am ready to my punishment. Basilio, give my regards to Portia. Goodbye. Don't be sad. Because it happened, you are my friend. Don't be regret. If the Jew cut my flesh, I will never utter a word.
Your life is precious for us, Antonio. We will always remember you.
Wait a moment. In that case, there should be no bloodshed because that is also not mentioned in the law, in the bond. Take a penalty of flesh, but not a single drop of blood. And if one drop of blood falls on the land, city Venice will take your half of the property, and half of the property will go to the Antonio itself.
Wow, what a lawyer. Wow, what a wise judge and lawyer.
Is this the law?
You asked for the justice, you will get the more justice as you bargained for. What are you waiting for? Take only 1 pound of flesh, not less, not more.
Let the merchant give my money back and let him go.
Shylock will not get anything except penalty. My lord, is it possible to take a flesh without bloodshed? I don't want my client to lose a single drop of blood. Shylock has conspired to murder Antonio, as no one can take a flesh without bloodshed.
Now it is judgment time.
What will be judged?
Silence, silence.
As the conspiracy obvious, Shylock has to plan murder Antonio. Shylock need to pay half of the property to Antonio and half of the property to state.
Do you want to show any mercy, merchant?
As the Shylock has asked mercy to the Duke, the one for the property should go to me, and after his death, that should go to his children.
Forgive me for my sins, Your Grace.
Shylock, I order you to apologize. You should pay half of your fortune to government and half to Antonio as a punishment.
Scene 6.
My fees, Antonio.
Take this ring.
This is your fees to save my friend's life.
Thank you, Basilio.
Thank you, my friend. You saved my life.
It is my duty, friend.
Scene 7.
Take this your ring, Basilio.
Oh, this is the same ring which I gave to the lawyer.
I was the only lawyer who fought for the justice.
Thank you, Portia. You are a really good wife of my friend Basilio.
Antonio, this message is for you.
Thank you. Oh my god, my ships are back. Now I will get the ships and good back.
Congratulations, my friend.
Congrats, Antonio.
Thank you.
Moral of the story is don't be greedy and help people in need. Show some mercy to everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Drama by 8th standard students, said by Suraj, Koli sir. Thanks to you all.